He even came along and said, these are the demands that we have, take them or leave them. The problem was those take it or leave it's would actually be negative for my client. And one of them was even borderline illegal. So it was just like, why are you being difficult this way? And I wasn't going to be, while I had ideas about his thoughts and his emotions on the other side, I wasn't going to be able to influence them. I wasn't going to be able to do something with empathy that was going to change his actions. So I reframed the goal. The goal here was to close this deal for my client. And I am dealing with a difficult person on the other side, the other attorney. Well, attorneys work for their clients, which means the client can influence the attorney's decisions. Just because the attorney says this is very risky or this isn't going the way I want, it doesn't mean that's what the business wants or what the business needs. The business person, the business owner, was ultimately the one who could influence the attorney. Now, under legal ethics, I, as an attorney, am not allowed to talk to an opposing client or other side's client. I shouldn't say opposing, the other side's client if I know they have legal counsel. So I can't go to the other side's business team, but I have a business team that I do get to advise, and I can have them go to the other side's business team. So I simply explained the challenges and the difficulties in a way that made sense for my business people to understand how this was negatively affecting their goal. Their goal was to close this deal. And so they went to the other side's business line. I was like, hey, I thought we were on the same page about the goal here. The feedback we're getting about your attorney is that they're doing things in conflict. Can you either find out why so we can address them, or do you mind just kind of getting them in line? So sure enough, the other side's business team went to their lawyer and said, lawyer, we don't need those things. You're being difficult when there's no need to. Back down. And that's what was important to getting the goal done. The goal was the business deal, not winning, not fighting, not getting through the person that I was supposed to get through. I was able to reframe what the goal was. The goal was to complete negotiations to get the deal done. But me battling, working with, struggling with this one person was not the only way to do that, right? So I was able to find other people that can influence that person or that would have authority over that person who could go in and help resolve the matter more amicably and quickly in a way that got everybody on the same page for the same goal.